So I did all of this off camera. That's both the washing and also the parting of the hair. I did everything off camera. I even cornrowed the hair off camera. So right now I'm just showing you guys how I am joining or attaching the last two tips to the very last cornrow. So yeah, for the braids around the leave out, I did that in a U shape. Then I continued to curve the braids going backward. Then after everything, after cornrolling and joining the last two cornrow tips to the last cornrow, so I'm just going to go ahead to use needle and thread to secure it down, just so that it doesn't get in the way while I'm trying to install the weft. Alright, next I will start sewing from the very back of her hair, that's underneath the cornrow or underneath the braid, just so that when she tries to flip it over, it will give like a seamless look. That's when she tries to pack it into a pony, it will give a seamless look. So yeah, we'll just start stitching like so by inserting the needle and thread through the weft first before I go ahead to insert it to the cornrows or to the underneath braids. So for the first stitch, we'll stitch about twice. We'll stitch it about twice just so that I can secure it first before I start moving and sewing. And to stitch, you just want to take the needle and thread in out of the hair to form a loop, then pass the needle through the loop like twice and then drag the thread completely. That's like pulling the thread completely just to tie a knot. So we'll pull the thread through that loop completely and then until it stop moving, and we'll continue doing so and also keep the stitches very small, like very close to each other. This is so that it doesn't lift. So for the extension we use at the back, that's the weave on. You can check our website www.exquisitesignature.com. We have both wavy hair, we have coily hairs, we have straight, we have bundles, we have wigs. We also have available hair products and we have braided hairs as well, as braided wigs. So we ship worldwide. Like, so yeah, for this I'm doing a turnover method. So once I get to the end of a particular line, we just flip it over to the next line and continue to stitch tight. So we'll just continue stitching like so. This is called a turnover method. I will only cut the weft when I get to the front part of the hair. I won't cut the weft at the back. This is so that she doesn't have like pieces of her weft. So it's just the front that I'm going to cut, and the reason why I'm going to be cutting the front is just so that it does not have lump, and also so that it can be very flat in front. Hi everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. How are you doing today? So this video is really detailed, so I would advise that you watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any single step. So this is a new trending hairstyle that I am so sure that you will love, or you probably want to just do for this season, that's the Christmas and New Year season, or for this holiday. So yeah, just watch. You might not necessarily be a hairstylist, so you can watch so that you can be able to direct your hairstylist on what to do if you want to get or make this hairstyle during this period. All right, just to get a neat basis or a neat hair, you need to wash the hair with shampoo and conditioner, and then after that use hand dryer to blow dry the hair. This is so that you get a neat braid, so that the braiding will be easier and also look neat, and also so that when she's carrying the hair she won't be feeling itchy. Next is to create the part using a tail comb to do so, which will help part the hair. So I use a tail comb to help part the hair. Then take out some part of hairs from both the left and the right hand side, enough to be able to cover the weft that I'm going to sew in much later. So yeah, after doing that, we put everything in a loose cornrow so that it can stay separately from the actual side that I want to install hairs. And I also took out hairs from the ear side just so that everything can be able to cover up the hairs or the weft I'm going to be installing. All right, we'll allow you to continue watching so that you see the whole process.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good things. This full of diamonds, head full of rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99 and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things. This full of diamonds, a head full of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Oh, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah.
Okay, for the leave out part, she bought like a different bundle from a different hair that we use for this part. So I'm just going to start box braiding the front part like so. And for the braids to be able to cover up the tracks or the sew in at the back, I'm going to be doing like 3 lines each. That's 3 lines on the left hand side and 3 lines on the right hand side as well. This is so that you can be able to cover up the stitches or the sewing at the back. So for the extension we use at the back, that's the weave on. You can check our website www.exquisitesignature.com. We have both wavy hair, we have coily hairs, we have straight, we have bundles, we have wigs. We also have available hair products, and we have braided hairs as well, that's braided wigs. So we ship worldwide, like anywhere around the world, and our shipping is really fast. So go ahead to check our website, like I said before, www.exquisitesignature.com. We have different textures of hair. You guys just check the website to see for yourself. So if you are confused of the particular texture to use for this particular style, I would advise that you go for either a bouncy hair, a wavy hair, or a straight hair, just so that you can stand out and so that it will look different from the regular coily hair or Fulani braids that is trending. So this is actually different from the Fulani style. This is another different style that is trending as well. So yeah, I would advise that you get either a straight hair, a bounce hair, or wavy hair for this particular style.
Gonna be lasting. Jealousy, let it go. Results could be tragic. Some of y'all ain't writing well, too concerned with fashion. None of you ain't Giselle, can't walk and imagine. A lot of y'all Hollywood drama.
Alright, this is what it looks like after box braiding, and I'm just going to go ahead to use brush to brush the hair. But before I brush the hair, I sprayed heat protectant because I wanted to coil the hair, but she was like no. And then I used serum, that's hair serum, human hair serum, and yeah, I decided to brush the hair. So this is what it looks like. And yeah, the details of the hair, like I said before, will be in the description box. That's the website to get the hair both the bundle and also that's the weft and also the braiding hair. So you can go ahead to check our website www.exquisitesignature.com. And yeah, this is the beautiful hairstyle that is trending right now. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Hope it's helpful. Hope you're able to learn something from this video. I'll be bringing more of these trending hairstyles for you guys and tutorials, just so that you can get inspired on what to do for this holiday or for this season. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't. Give the video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to share the video to friends and family, loved ones, everyone around you. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.